Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Nur Atira binti Amnuddin and my ID is 5721118235, and I will tell you guys about our project. We choose the banking record system in C++. This is because it's simple console application developed without the use of graphic component. It is more of a database project in C++ and is built using the language file handling mechanism. It is suitable for beginners who want to learn how to add, edit, search, delete or modify record in a file, and how to use a file as a database. Okay, next I will tell you about IPO. What is IPO? IPO is stand for Input, Output and Process. IPO usually used in system analysis introductory programming text for describing a process. Input is the requirement from the environment. Input is the requirement for environment. Process is competition based on requirement, and output is provision for the environment. So, input for our project is to study the banking data system and transaction of money for individual personal saving. Okay, for our project, input is debit and credit, and for the process is transaction of money for individual personal saving, and our output is current balance.
My name is Suman Raj and I'm going to explain about the flowchart of our program. So first of all, I'm going to explain about the menu of our program. So when we start the program, it will appear, the menu will be appeared, and there will be several options to select from the menu options. So what we have to do is we have to select, input our selection and then stop. And for the next part, this is how we add record into our program. So the program starts and we prioritize option 1 for adding records, and when we select option 1, they'll be asking details about that we need to be saved. So what we have to do is enter the details and then the program stops. And the third one is show record, and we start the program and then we select option 2, which is show record, and then the program will show out the record that we searched for, and then the program stops. And then the fourth one is the search records flowchart. As usual, the program starts and we select option 3, which is search record, and then the program will show out the details that we searched, and then the program stops. The fifth one is update record. To update record, the program starts and then we select option 4, which is update record, and then we can update or modify any details that we need to change, and then the program stops. And the sixth one is delete record. So for this, as usual, the program starts and then we select option 5, which is delete record, and then the program will delete the selected record, and then the program stops. And then the final one, the seventh flowchart, is about quitting the program. So when we start the program, the quitting option will be on the menu, which is the sixth option, and we select option 6, the program will quit itself and then stop. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so after we're done with the flowchart, we must do the coding. So the coding must have the body layout, which starts with include as CDIO, and then ends with this one right here. So we have to debug and run the coding, and then it shows here that we can run the coding. We pasted it in the Excel. So this is our coding after we run it. Alright, that's all.
Hi, my name is Ayla. So for our statistical report, this is our account number. This is the date, description, debit, credit, and current balance. So as you can see here is the previous balance, which is 1,016 ringgit. And then for the date in 2nd of June, we can see here is grocery, fuel card, prepaid, and grocery, fuel card until 30th of June. And our current balance in 30th of June is 50,343 ringgit and 51 cents. So this is our statistical report that we conclude in a table.